You know, our first factory tour video attracted around 4,000 views on YouTube, and our CNC Press Brake video a whopping 42,500. Now we're pretty pumped about those numbers, so a huge thank you for your support. We're totally focused at being at the top of our game, so we can help you be on top of yours with quality manufacturing services. And it's time to introduce you to our latest and greatest piece of gear. I'm Mark Cowling, and welcome again to another SAMIN Sheet Metal Factory tour. We believe more than ever that SAMIN offer the very best quality sheet metal services in Brisbane, and here's why. First up, it's our people and experience. You can't last 45 years in manufacturing in Australia if you're not good at what you do and offer clients real value for money. Simple. Many of our team have been with us for 10 years or more and are still true to our daily goal of design excellence, attention to detail, precision manufacturing and quality finishing. At the start of every project, everyone involved in the process makes sure that they have a thorough understanding of your component application and follow that through to completion and delivery. And our equipment. We use the most technologically advanced CNC machinery and laser cells available. And here's our new baby, the Amada 6 kilowatt fiber laser. The Amada 6 kilowatt fiber laser cell with lights out automation allows several jobs to run at the same time, reducing production time and ultimately saves you money. It cuts mild steel and stainless steel, aluminium, brass, copper and titanium. It's a weapon, and right now it's the only one of its kind in Queensland. And our versatility. No project is too large or small for us. SAMIN design and manufacture custom-made structural and fabricated parts for a large cross-section of industries and business sectors throughout Queensland and Australia. So when you need expert, quality and advanced sheet metal fabrication services, we'll help your ideas and designs truly come to life. Call or email us today with your requirements and see the SAMIN difference for yourself. We'd love you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates and add a tick to our likes below if you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching.